I like them Tiger 800s, you know, as well.
Is that an 800, that one? Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the XR. They do a type one.
It comes through your thingy as well, doesn't it?
It does.
So it feeds back into my speakers.
Boys and the toys. Right, you ready?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, when you're ready.
Well, that was Manor Farm.
Nice.
It was a nice stop.
Nice cheeky stop, yeah. Can cope with that.
I would say, well worth the ride up.
Yeah.
Left yet?
Yeah, that's what the sat nav says as well.
Yeah, here we go. So that's like halfway in it that now, so we're heading home now.
Yeah.
Even though we're still heading northeast.
That's the tank of fuel.
Yeah, I enjoyed that ride up to there. Right, so we turning right here. Preston is only 4 miles away.
Not our Preston, obviously.
We'll wait for this red car. Maybe not. These are all turning, so left just round corner.
Yeah.
Looks like he's at the bottom of this dip.
Yeah, it is. Richmond, isn't it? Yeah.
Here we go. So Catterick Camp's just a bit further up there. Oops, a bit close. Straight on here. Well, birds left or whatever, yeah?
Yeah. Yep.
Whee!
Yep. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it whatsoever.
Right, we're going left here.
It's just
Clear.
Sort of my body's forcing me into it.
See, that's the thing. I mean, my old Z750, yeah, that was more sat up than this. Which, even when I bought this, I didn't think. Hey up, that's in better days. I didn't think that this would have been as comfortable as it is.
Yeah.
And like you say, I think that's the only. I mean, yeah, I can ride this. I can ride it all day long. Like you say, yeah, better if you can get off and everything again. But I still think that's the only reason really for changing it, isn't it?
Yeah.
This looks like it's going to be a nice road up here, looking at the map.
Yeah, it's bumpy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then again, the race round Manor road's this bumpy. The Sulby Straight's this bumpy. Honestly, and I'm not joking there either. Jesus, I couldn't believe it when we went down it. Kind of freaking out. The speed traps on Sulby Straight. Kind of freaking out what they're doing. 200 miles an hour down here.
Oh god, yeah, look at this bumpy. Oh, this is you know, Darren was asking me about how fast we ride, and I'm sure most people don't believe us when we say we don't ride fast.
Or because he asked the question?
Yeah.
Or because he asked the question, you mean?
And I always say there's no point, because, like we said before, you want to see things, don't you?
Of course you do, yeah.
And if all you're doing is head down, arse up, and yeah, you might be enjoying your ride, but you're 120% concentration on that bend, you know what I mean?
You know, so everybody's brake, your brake lights come on early.
Oh, it's not really a turn, but
yeah.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely here, isn't it? Everywhere around here, to be honest. Beautiful.
So we're just coming into Reeth now. Now when we came from Tan Hill, well, we've only been to Tan Hill once, haven't we? So when we were there, we came down, and I think we turned right where we're going to turn left.
We're going to turn left and go up towards Tan Hill, aren't we?
No, we're going to turn left to go towards Buttertubs.
Right.
Yeah, we're going to turn left here.
I know where we are. Yeah. Yeah, I know exactly where we are now.
I thought we should have gone that way for a second. I think we turn. Yeah, I remember that rock face there, that hillside there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we came down there, didn't we?
We did, yes.
Yeah, so we don't turn left, it's just a continuation.
This is Reeth, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're coming pretty right over Reeth. Yeah, Reeth, very great.
Yeah.
Reeth's a nice place.
That was, wasn't it? Reeth Dale Centre. Yeah, nice. So this, do you remember when we did that run up to Northumberland, and we're coming the opposite direction on this road further down, and there was that village name, I can't remember what it was now, but it was really
funny.
Yeah, I can't remember what it was now, but we'll go past it.
Well impressed with it.
Do you think we should stop and get waterproofs on, or?
I'm alright.
I'm thinking of riding through it actually.
Stop it and put your waterproofs on. That's why I wear this wear this suit all year round now.
Yeah.
I don't even pack waterproofs anymore. Don't need them. Wasn't even going to put them in for going to Scotland if we'd have gone.
Yeah.
This suit's waterproof. It's absolutely amazing. But obviously I would like to rub this. Not prepared to pay 1,200 quid.
It's a lot of money in it.
It is a lot. But it's like we've talked about before, haven't we? You know, you won't get your money's worth out of it. Definitely.
Yeah.
Because like you just said to that guy in the shop, we ride all year round. You wear them in some of those.
Yeah.
Because it's Gore-Tex, you're not sweating them. Breathable, aren't they? You set the liner out, sorted, you won't even probably find that you'll not.
I've lost you, either.
Oh.
Got you back. Have you there?
Yes, I am, yeah.
Yeah. We got phone?
I just had to turn it off, turn it back on again.
Right.
Lost connection again. It's happened a few times this now, hasn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Right, we're just coming up to that road on the right that we went up when we did that Northumberland day.
Yeah. Not do that again in summer.
Yeah. That was brilliant, that.
Get Dave and James come out with us.
Yeah.
Because I think they'd like that.
Where is it? It's here somewhere. I think it's just the other side of that wall. That second wall. Yeah, it's here, see. That's the road there. Whoa! Good man, good man. Thank you. I get the impression we might go through this rain, not through it, but we might miss this rain.
I think we will actually.
Is this, sorry, I'm interrupted again.
It's alright.
Is this that sign? Crackpot! Crackpot!
Crackpot,
That's the one, innit?
Yeah,
sorry.
So it's alright. Be alright, what, wouldn't you? Yeah? Could I be name and address, please? Yes, Crackpot. What? Really?
You'd only give me your name after you. No, what is it? And only have your name first.
Look at this. Wait.
I'm liking this again.
The rides are all. The rides are ready. Get in there. Come on. Come down here.
Way! Oh, Jesus! There's me tackle. That's me tackle gone.
We don't need any kids. I don't think we're going to miss this rain somehow, Stuart.
No, it's looks like it's just coming all of a sudden, doesn't it?
Yeah, we're riding into it. Yeah. But if you want to stop, put your waterproofs on and do it now, because that's going to be wet.
In fact, it's coming. Yeah, it's coming onto the visor now, isn't it?
Yeah, you can see it sat in the valley.
Yeah.
There's no point getting piss wet through when you don't need to, is there?
No.
That'll be shocking down there.
First time using my rain suit. Well, it's not a rain suit. My waterproofs.
But is it a condom? Rain suit. Need to buy yourself an alpine stair suit. Bloody hell. I think
You've not brought a pair of sunglasses with you, have you?
Jesus Christ, look at that.
Hey,
Bloody hell.
she's back in front.
Should, well, that'll be front, won't it? Because the tags are... Should have a competition for that, shouldn't they?
What's that?
How fast can you put your waterproofs on?
I'm losing already. Get on, you bugger.
I don't know. Oh, well, this is...
I hope that camera's not running.
Yes it is.
Oh, mega. There you go. Look at that.
Jesus Christ.
New gloves.
Oh, yeah.
I've not even taken labels off them yet.
Yeah, wind's picking up as well, ain't it?
It's like the bloody Benny Hill show, innit?
Yeah.
Trying to kill herself laughing when I turn up dressed, are they? Sugar, I thought you were buying waterproofs, not a clown suit.
You'd never be in court where you're saying, well, I'm sorry, I just didn't see the motorcyclist. Really?
You'll get home tonight and go, Elaine, look, I've got something, you've got to watch this on video.
We were there for 35 minutes, it took him put this bloody suit on. And then when we got there, it wasn't raining. There you go, sorted. Jesus Christ. Did he get a discount for that?
Is that fastened? It is, isn't it?
Yeah, it is now. There you go. Dry as a bone.
I was just checking, make sure it's still bloody raining.
Oh no, it stopped.
Right, I'm going to have to ride one-handed now.
So, go on. Try, get that one over there now. Mega.
This is where you get the Benny Hill music going.
I'm sure you'll find it somewhere on the internet.
We'll get to Hawes and everybody will say, where have you been? It's sunshine in here.
Temperature's shot up.
I think I'll turn sat-nav off because I don't think I'm going to lose you.
Hey, it's always a laugh, isn't it?
Of course it is. That's why we come out, isn't it? You won't idea. Just about the riding. Right, we're ready.
Do you think I've got enough IVs on my fingers?
Well,
Will you be able to see?
I've never understood why they do that with gloves, because why? I don't understand.
That's my windscreen wiper, innit?
Yeah, that's your windscreen wiper, yeah. Which are very good. Screenshot. Right.
I thought that'd take me a day and a half to get me waterproofs on.
Well, I don't know. I don't know. We were here yesterday. Right.
He's just driven past thinking, what a tit you look.
Well, he was squinting for some reason. Pants are black.
I tell you what, it better bloody rain now.
It doesn't look like, it looks like it's lifted though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
At least you'll be nice and warm.
Well, there is that mesh jacket, but I am nice and warm.
When I used to ride on my own in winter time, I used to always take my waterproof, even though it was a nice sunny day, because if I got cold, I knew I could put my one of those waterproofs on and I'd warm up dead quick.
Yeah.
You know, because nothing gets through them, does it? They're just not nice to wear in summertime.
Where are we? Here.
Yeah.
Oh, where are you going, Stuart? Oh goodness me, I am glad we put waterproofs on then.
Yeah.
Oh, look at these two buggers.
First play to them.
Yeah.
Did I tell you my feet are warm?
Have you turned them on again?
I have. Oh, I tell you, what a purchase! Absolutely. Oh, I recommend them to anybody if you don't like cold feet riding a bike. Bloody hell! Absolutely spot on. Look at this. Beautiful.
Bad Ben that woman were about that I was talking to at Manor Farm.
Bend this.
Hey?
It's not a bad bend, is it?
No, it's this next one.
There's no such thing as a bad bend, there's just a bad biker.
Yeah. Oh, it's this one.
Don't go to the Alps.
There we are. We're round. Oh Lord, look at that weather.
Yeah, hopefully it'll be alright on the other side of here. Can't see it like, but
That's where everybody's going to be in shorts and... what's he?
Shorts and t-shirts.
What's he dressed like that for?
What's he dressed like a minion for?
Cattle grid, careful it'll be slippy.
Yeah. Clutch in.
Look at that. You can just see enough beneath the cloud, can't you?
Yeah, just enough, yeah. Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh dear. I do like this. I do like Buttertubs.
Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? I mean, even in this not great weather, it's still nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
It really is. Don't think I'd ever tire of coming up here. It's one of those places.
Well, even...
Kirkstone Pass as well. I don't think I'd ever tire of that either.
Yeah. It's been a bit, not strange, but different, you know, because coming at it from this way.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I don't think I've ever been this way, to be honest.
Oh, look at this visibility. That's a contradiction in terms, isn't it? Look at this visibility.
Rubbish.
That hillside over to your right, you can just see it there.
Yeah, just about.
Yeah.
Yeah. Great, another grid here.
That's it. Yeah, we're not going very fast, are we, down here?
No. Yeah, I think it's clear on the other side. Can you see how it's lifted to your right?
Yeah,
Just,
yeah.
be alright. When I get down into Hawes, it'll probably be alright.
Rabbit. I'll tell you what, it's windy, but I'm not feel. Yeah, I can feel the wind, but there's nothing coming through.
You won't do with that.
Even wind's turning around and saying, bloody hell, that's too bright.
I think some's got his glasses on for that.
I'll tell you what, I bet it is. I bet it's clear sky back at home.
Maybe.
Yeah, it's clearing well, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a bit dry on this side. Still cold though, isn't it? Feel the temperature's dropped.
Yeah, it's dropped 6 degrees. It was 12 degrees before. When we live in Manor Farm, it was 12 degrees. It's now 6. The cattle grid.
Oh, that truck was there last time we came past.
Yeah.
Stop and take your water briefs off if you want.
Do you think so?
Looks like it's clear down there. Look, you look to your left.
Yeah, but we're going to right.
Depends how far right we'll go in the sport, doesn't it? Sun's coming out now. It is, look, there you go, dry.
It is, it's born dry here, isn't it?
Yep.
Unbelievable. Well, I'm a good safe rider, so I think I'll keep my waterproofs on for visibility,
Yeah.
just to make sure they can see me.
Never bothered you before.